Hello, beautiful people, and welcome back to my channel. Family, I am so excited to announce my new partnership with Supernatural Chix. And this is the lovely bag that it came in. Supernatural Chix, you've outdone yourself. Look at how beautiful this packaging is. Look at this. It comes with a beautiful mirror on the inside, so you can get yourself together no matter where you at, no matter where you putting your clip-ins in. We have a hanger that is awesome. Oh. 2 packs here. And inside the bottom of the box, look at that. Care instructions. Beautiful. So we have 2 bundles. Oh, and they have extra clips. 14-inch, and it's KC. And then this one is also 14-inch KC. And it comes in these little bags. And this also has instructions. I am excited. So we got some extra clips in here, which is amazing because you never know. You open it up. It smells good. It doesn't have that corn starchy smell to it. Oh, this feels so good. Look how tight the curls are initially, and then you pull it and it just, oh my gosh. I am about to have a ball with these. Look at how beautifully detailed this is. Look at that. So it comes, one pack comes with 1, 2, see this was a different size. 3, same size as the last one. 4, an itty bitty one. 5, another itty bitty. 6, another itty bitty. And 7, 8, 2 eensy tinies. I love it. And so we have 2 packs. So that's 8, so that's 16 pieces that you get with this. And I'm just thinking, it's so many different hairstyles we could do. It's so many different things we can do to this hair. And I'm so excited. So from here, you guys, I am going to do all of the instructions that was instructed to me inside the box. And so I will capture a video of that, and I will show everyone how that is done. And I will also tell you all the different products that I'm using during that process. So if you want to watch it, if you like to tune in, if you want to see how that happens, check out my next video. If you like this video, please subscribe and click that bell. Yes, that way when I upload this next video, you'll be able to catch it, because I'm going to show you all the whole process. Supernatural Chix. Stay tuned.